All right, today we've got a portable Remington portable typewriter 1923 for sale, serial number NX72803. Maybe I won't say for sale from now on. So you think I'm just showing off a typewriter. Ultimately, this is for an Etsy to sell so people can see what they're getting. This typewriter is in great condition. It's got a few scuffs on the outside cosmetically, just right here, kind of down on the bottom. The sides look good. Both sides look fine. I don't really see anything, just smudges. This was in pretty good condition whenever I got it, but I did still spend some love and care into blowing it out with a air compressor, using some gun oil to lube these up, getting things up. I'm pretty sure, I cleaned the type bars as well. All in all, I spent a lot of time on it just to get it in great condition. A little bit of discoloring on like the L, but most of the keys even look cool. To get this thing started, you have to first pull this out, lift it up. That's a main thing, otherwise it won't work. Some of the features of this, key shift over here, or shift key on this side too. Shift lock right there. It doesn't have a 1. I use a lowercase l. Here's your ribbon color selector. You've got black on the bottom and then red up top. Works perfectly. To change the ribbon, the rotating, the way it rotates, right now it's going clockwise. If you need to switch that, you can either push the button here or you've got one over here. It depends on where your fingers are. Push it in, then it'll go the other way. So if you run out of ink and you need more, you just use that. The only thing on this side is you only have one thing that actually does anything on this side. Now mind you, also, when I put this in the case, it's really tight with this knob. I don't know if this is actually supposed to stick out that way, but it's just really close. It will fit in the case, but I might not even put it in the case whenever I ship it. I might do them separate, just because, I don't know, it just doesn't seem to fit properly inside the case. Not sure why that is, but yeah, I don't use the case anyways, and because of that, I took off the knobs on the very bottom. Took off these guys that go on the bottom. And anyways, let's keep going. The only thing on this side is the paper release, which is if you need to move the paper around, you pop that in. But that's it on that side. This side, you've got lots of different things. You've got I'll show you over here. Here's your carriage release right here, this knob. It's only on one side. Here is your line spacing. So you line and then go over. That's how you would do that. Here's your spacing as far as like, if you want single space or double space, you pull this little knob and then it goes 1, 2. That's how you do that. You've got a margin release button, which is right here. If it gets to the end of the margin and you need to go further, excuse me, this way. You need to go further, you pop that and it'll keep going. So, what else? Right here, if you lift this thing or push this thing down, it is to move the carriage wherever you want, like to roll it to where it's not clicking. So you can put the thing anywhere in the paper. And I think that's it on that side. You've got your margins on the very back, which is these two little guys. You can just move those freely right here and here. Move them wherever you want the margins to be. And let's do a type test. I've already done one on this actually, but I'll just do another one. I'm going to start here. Oh, I don't want double spacing, but whatever, I'm already set to it. All right, now caps. Ta-da! It works perfect. Now I'll have to, you're probably not going to be able to see that, but you'll see it in the pictures and whatnot. Everything works great on it. It's going to be, in just perfect working condition whenever you get it. This thing is super cool, very old, and I mean, it's 100 years old. I hope you guys enjoy it and get some use out of it. It's not a easiest typer, so this might be like short letters, poetry. You know, I'm a finger poker. I still use an electric typewriter. I'm a lame like that, but somebody else will get a lot of joy out of it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you later. If you have any questions, let me know. See ya.